Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Yan. First vlog, we're going to China. So, ito lang yung dala natin. Okay. Welcome to China, everyone! We're going to the train station kasi magla-lunch muna kami and it's already, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock na. Kakain muna kami. Yung train station nila dito, medyo mas mukhang luma compared sa Hong Kong. Pero super laki. Bibili muna tayo ng token.
Pupunta tayo sa exhibition center. Tapos dun yung...
Daddy's turn na to get the token. Okay. So, nakakuha na kami ng ticket. Meron na kami kanya-kanyang ticket. Ito. Token pala. Yan. So, every time na papasok ka dito sa train station nila, kailangan mo i-x-ray yung gamit mo. Yan. Token. Ayan. Then, ayun na. Then, pwede na tayong pumasok. Ayan. Welcome to my homeland. Homeland? Motherland. Ayan. Ganito yung train nila dito. Ayan. Kasi medyo malayo yung exhibition center. See ya! Say hi! Okay. Yan. Silang dalawa, gusto nila naka-backpack. Ako naman, parang mas madali. Mas gusto ko naka-luggage. Ayan. Para tulak-tulak lang. Dito kumain na kami. DQ. Yeah, Dairy Queen. They have it here also. Ayan, meron sila dito. Ang sarap yung pizza nila dito. Ayan. Gusto namin yung pizza nila dito. And at the same time, mura rin. Mura. But I think sa kanila locals dito, medyo mahal na rin siya ng konti. Ayan, yan yung menu nila. Actually, itong Link City, ano to, magkakatabing mall. Parang, may underground siya na connection niya, yung mga malls. Kaya, pag umuulan, okay, pumunta dito. Kasi hindi ka nalalabas, ang dami mo rin makikita. Ang dami mo pwedeng makita dito.
Later we go there or buy things again. We find hotel, yeah?
Yeah. May mga stall sila dito ng Adidas. They're Adidas. Ito naman, Tiger. Ayan o. 50% off daw. That's it. Yung mga shoes nila, Ayan. Ito yung favorite mall namin. Nasa baba. Ayan, maraming kainan dito. And at the same time, maganda rin dito sa mall na to. Hanap muna kami ng kainan. Kasi gutom na kami, oras na. Umalis kami ng Hong Kong, 12 o'clock. Ngayon is 1 o'clock. Okay, so guys, during this time, di na kami nakapag-vlog sa loob kasi gutom na kami. So, ayan, tamang video na lang after kumain. So, ayan, after namin mag-lunch, naghanap-hanap kami ng salon kasi gusto kong magpagupit. Mamaya magpapagupit ako. There. I'm gonna get my hair cut later. Now we go out. Ayan. Ito yung exhibition center nila. Okay, ngayon hanapin namin yung hotel namin. Ayan, lakad-lakad. Dito sa China, yung sidewalk, doon din yung dumadaan yung mga scooter. Kaya minsan magugulat ka, bigla na lang may bubusina sa likod mo. O yan, ikaw ang tatabi sa kanila, hindi sila yung tatabi sa iyo. See? Nice. See? So, ayan, nakapag-check-in na kami. Ngayon, iiwan namin yung mga gamit para makapag-ikot-ikot ulit.
Tap. Okay, open it.
Okay, so ito naman yung room namin. Maganda siya, kompleto. And at the same time, malinis. Kaya okay kami dito. Here's a toilet. Ito yung toilet nila. Okay, okay naman. Malaki. Linis. So, ayan. Lumabas ulit kami. Gala-gala. Libot-libot. Explore. So, ayan o. Ayan. Starbucks. Ito. Yung naririnig nyo doon sa taas, yun yung ano, the train. Here, what is this, Zia? Yeah, I know. You like this one. Oh.
Oh, they're so soft.
Anik-anik. This is cute.
Yeah.
So, ayan, habang naglalakad kami, tinuturuan ako ng dalawa kung paano daw mag-vlog. Pero paano yun? Lakad ka lang ng lakad. Ano sasabihin mo? Oh, wait nga, video ko lang to. Ayan, ito yung replica ng Terracotta Warriors. Life size. Life size yan. Life size terracotta pots. See, oh, look, oh, ang mura-mura lang ng mga drinks nila. Sa Hong Kong side, I mean, Hong Kong, wala kang mabibili ng ganitong kamurang drinks. Kasi lahat mahal.
Are you sure?
Ayan. Yung mga favorite ni Zia, mga latiao. Look at the drinks here. They're so cheap. Oh, look, oh, ang cute. This is so cute, you see? Ang cute niya, oh. Shape niya si Snow White. Diba? Oh, may lanyard pang kasama. So cute. Look, oh, how much lang yung tubig nila. It's 2.31. Ganito kalaki. Sobrang laki. Ayan. Ganyan kalaki yung water nila. But ito, cute. Pakita natin kay Zia. Zia, look at the water. You want it? So cute. It's Snow White.
How much is it?
3.9. It's so cheap. Kahit yung mga alcohol drinks nila dito, ang mura rin compared to Hong Kong. Uy, look, what's this, boo? Look,
Beer.
oh. Ang cute, oh.
Daddy, bend down.
Oh, ang galing, ah.
Daddy, bend
Ang
down.
galing, oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng lagayan nyo, oh.
Look at this.
One.
Bling bling.
May bling-bling.
Glittery.
Yeah,
It's
I love it.
Grande Albero.
Yeah, may bling-bling. I love bling-bling. For cats and dogs. For pagkain ng mga pusa at ng aso. Ayan. Mga toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash. Ito, facial wash. Ayan. Oh, here. Nilipat na nila. Ayan, oh, yung mga blind box. Nilipat nila. Mas marami na ngayon. This time kaya anong bibili natin? Ito mukhang cute to, oh. Ayan, oh, see? This is cute. Kimon. Oh, it's my name. Kimon. So, tingin tayo dito. Ito is... Oopsie. Ito siya. Okay, maybe ito na lang kunin natin. Got this. Ayan. Sana lucky siya. Sana maganda.
Oh, pillows ng Mexico. Meron sila.
They copied Philippines.
Oh, yeah. Oo nga,
See,
no?
it's literally tiny.
Mhm.
What are you gonna get?
I don't know. I'm gonna get this one because it looks so cute, you see? See, I see this one. It looks cute, but it's like a Lego. Lego yata siya. It's a Lego. See?
I'm such
To buy this too. See, this is so cute. This one is a music box, mini music box. So you can turn it here para mag-play yung music. But it's cute, you see? Mas cute to kesa dito sa isa. I think this is cuter than the other one.
stuff in your
Because this one has a butterfly.
valley.
I know, it's not a butterfly, it's dragonflies. Dragonflies and flowers, so it's more cuter. So I'm gonna get two as souvenir. Ayun na. Hi.
Where's Daddy? Did you press it to the other way?
Oh.
Last year.
Gia, don't you like that one, no? It's strawberry. Ayan na, yan na yung mga pinamili ni Sofia. Okay, so yeah, yan o. Take this too. Cute, diba? It's so cute. Ngayon, magbabayad na tayo. And ako magbabayad nito kasi it's my kalokohan. Ito yung outdoor.
What do I eat?
Wait.
What?
What is you want to try?
Nice. Oh, it's nice here inside. You see? Oh. Wow.
Dito, Shane.
Wait.
Rush. Rush.
Sure.
Rush. I don't have for you.
Yeah.
Oh, also me don't have na. Tabu. It's a game. You need to do like that daw in the hoop. If you hook, it will
Kaya mo yan. Dali oh. Nice. This is so nice oh. What is this place?
Can I do the vlogging until we reach the mall?
Hi, welcome to Kimmy's World.
Welcome to Kimmy's World!
We are walking now, side by side,
Holding hands.
holding hands
And
in
Sophia.
China. And then Sophia is the
One in
camera
charge.
lady.
Vlog.
It's more fun
Yay.
in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And then you want to taste free taste, Sophia? You go there, in the beef bowl. So yeah.
49 for ano?
Crap.
Hello, do all way do.
Yummy? Oat milk latte daw. What then you want?
Mas marami nilagay niya dito.
Sophia, may melon sila.
Buo coconut ba to? Coconut to, yung ano na lang ng coconut.
We're gonna get 2. Okay?
Okay, so now, hanap kami ng gupitan kasi gusto ko magpagupit. Try natin yung haircut nila dito. Kung maganda. Okay, so I'm gonna have my haircut here. Oh. This one I like. Like this.
有橙色。
Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, thank you.
这里吧。
Thank you. Super happy ako sa kinalabasan ng hair ko, guys. Ang ganda pa ng service nila. Definitely babalik ako dito.
Please do it. I don't want to bother you. It doesn't matter. I can see it's like the same. This is the one I wanted last time. See? It's so expensive.
Yeah.
It's Sandy, and then this is, I don't know her name, I forgot. She's the car driver test, and then this is the one Mommy likes. The mini one. It's popular in China. I'm gonna try one so I can see.
Okay. Nice.
Decide here first. Are you gonna get it?
No, I have too much sunglasses already.
Yeah, I know. I see your collection.
Yeah. He says So, ayan, time to relax naman kasi maghapon na kaming lakad ng lakad.
Hi, Zia.
First time ni Zia magpamassage sa China.
Huh?
Pagkapasok namin, nag-over sila ng jeans and towels kasi naka-shorts kami dalawa ni Zia.
我说这个视频跟手机是连。
Tinatanong niya ata kung ano yung camera ko.
我想想，
Ayan, nagulat siguro siya nakita niya yung
这个
sarili
这
niya.
个这个。
Ayan, nagulat si Zia nung nilagay sa bucket yung paa niya. Mainit daw kasi masyado. Ah. Thank you. Bigyan niya kami ng chips. Lasang latyaw ulit. Tastes like latyaw again. Tastes like latyaw. So, ayan, nag-start na sila sa massage. Ngayon naman, pinaprepare niya yung para sa food spa. So, ayan guys, nag-empty bath na yung camera ko. So, see you in the next vlog. Bye!